after an hour. Now we have come to Pune city. We shall first have tea here and then we shall visit Shaniwar Wada. Look at this Shaniwar Wada. It has a significant historical importance. This is Mahatma Phule Mandai, that is, market. There are many wholesale and retail markets in this Mandai. This is Tulsi Bagh. We can do some shopping here. Here's a great market. You can do shopping here too. But while doing all this, do not forget to observe things around you and keep a record of the same. After you all finish with your shopping, do meet here at the same place in half an hour. After half an hour, let's go to the place where we are having our halt tonight. Tonight, we shall be having our dinner here and we will be staying here only. Tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., we shall be meeting right here and will start our next journey. Good night. Day 2. Time 7 a.m. Location Pune. Now that we are done with our breakfast, we shall be proceeding towards Alibag. Come on then, let us start with our further journey. This is Mumbai-Pune Expressway. We will be stopping at Rajmachi Point near Lonavala. Look outside and see if there are any changes in the relief.
Yes, madam. Even though we are driving on a plain road, we can see hilly regions all around. The frequency of houses is also becoming less.
You're right, Tushar. Now we have reached Rajmachi. Let's get down here and get the information about various relief features. These are the slopes of the Western Ghats. We call these hilly areas Sahyadris too. From here, you can observe the difference in slopes, the gentle slope to the east and the steep slope to the west. Towards the west, you can see many cliffs and waterfalls. This region is also the source of river Ulhas, a major west-flowing river. Everyone, take pictures of these features so that you can affix these pictures in your report. Come on quickly, get into the bus. It has started raining.
Madam, we are now crossing the Ghat section and proceeding to Khopoli, right?
Correct, Namdev. This is known as the Bhor in the Western Ghats. It is also known as the Khandala Ghat. We will now be entering the western coastal plains of India. Now observe the trees, soil and houses that you see and make a note of it.
Madam, we can see dense forest comprising of thick vegetation in the Ghats. The leaves of most of the plants are broad. We had seen such trees in the Siahat region too.
These are all teak trees. In this region, the deciduous trees are found. There are many devrais and vanrais here, that is, woodlands and sacred groves. Cutting of trees and grazing is prohibited in the devrai area. The forest tribals preserve these forests. This is how these forests are protected. The Ghats are now over. On looking outside, you will realize that the earlier seen dense forest is no more visible. Here, the forests are sparse. Likewise, occasionally, paddy fields and industrial estates are visible.
Madam, I can feel the change in weather. It is getting hotter and I've also started perspiring.
Najma, due to the increase in humidity in the air, we start perspiring and our skin becomes sticky. Areas close to the sea consist of a lot of humidity.
Madam, it has started raining in this region. Also, the amount of rainfall seems to be more. It might be happening because of this.
Namdev, correct observation. Because of heavy rainfall and nearness to the sea, this happens. Also, because of high rainfall, rice is the major crop here. Will you all be able to tell me in some time which sea we shall be reaching?
The Arabian Sea.
Very nice. Now we have reached Alibag. Before going to the beach, we will be visiting the Talati office. There, You can gather information on the basis of the questionnaire you have prepared in the school.
We'll be asking him questions about the types of crops, soil types, cultivation of fruits, and other cash crops. Apart from this, we shall also ask them about how land revenue is collected in his or her office, land under irrigation, watershed programs, and other occupations in the village.
Will do. Here is the Talati office. Let us now gain information from here. After coming from the Talati office, you all must be hungry. Come, let's eat. How many of you have seen a sea before?
I'm just trying to imagine what a breathtaking view it would be to see the sea. What will it look like? What would be there? Why only water there?
That's true, Abira. Everyone has finished eating. Now let's go to the beach. There, we are going to see a fort. The name of the fort is Kolaba Fort, and it is also called as the Alibag Fort. After going there, everyone is expected to follow the instructions given regarding precaution. After going to the beach, take into account the timings of high and low tide. Do not go to the beach without a local guide.